In addition to setting pose information for our static fixtures, there are several other properties we can edit. With 51 through 53 selected, let's go ahead and go into our augmented section if you're not there already, and select beam angle over here, and we're going to make these be 26 degrees. And we'll see that change in our model. Additionally, we can edit the beam edge parameters of fixtures. So I'm going to click on beam edge here. The default is 50%, so I'm going to change that to 75 and press enter. You can see that softens it up a little bit, or we could go up to 100 to have a really soft edge there. This will also work with gobos. For now, I'm going to restore it back to its default by clicking on that box and pressing enter to get us back to a sharp edge. We can also adjust shutters of conventional fixtures. I'm going to tap shutters here, and we'll bring in our upstage and our downstage shutters a bit, as if we're cutting off some legs there. We can also drop a gobo into our fixtures. Gobo is under our database section over here, and I'm going to find a Roscoe. It's going to be a steel gobo, and I'm going to grab that guy right there. We can also rotate that gobo. Back in our augmented section, we have a gobo rotate, and I can put in 90 degrees and turn those sideways. Let's go ahead and drop some gel into our conventional fixtures. So we'll select those, 11 through 15. We'll go to database, select gel, and using our keyboard, I can type in R80, and Roscoe 80 will be dropped into those fixtures. As a reminder, this information can also be found in the table. You may need to page over using your page keys in order to see it. There's one final property I want to take a look at, and that is the ability to hide a beam. So let's select just channel 15, and in our augmented section of patch here, we can enable hide beam. And what that will do is prevent the model from outputting from that fixture. So if we zoom into that fixture, use our camera, we can see light coming out of the front of the fixture, but there's no light beam coming out in the model. This might be useful for practical fixtures or LED dots where you want to see the light of the fixture, but you don't want any beam coming into your model. When we clear our selection, we'll no longer see the front of that light lit up. You may not need all of your static fixtures in your model if they're not adding value to your design process. Sometimes adding all of these fixtures can be more time consuming than it may be worth for you. If you just need the status of a static fixture, a magic sheet with channel objects linked to color and intensity may be all you need.